Hello guys, welcome to MADSTECH. If you flashed OxygenOS build developed by Team Dark, you won't get double tap to unlock feature in this ROM. In this video, I am going to show you how you can enable that. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. If you want to activate your Windows 10 with official retail key, that too in only 445 Indian rupees, here is a video card for same and the website link will be there in the description box below. I am personally using the same key, so you can trust this site. Let's get started. Your device must be rooted with Magisk 20.3.zip. Here is a card for same. As you can see, you won't get double tap to unlock feature in this ROM. Now just go into Play Store and search for app called Smart Pack Kernel Manager and install it. Now open it and it will ask for the root access. Just grant it. Here you will see all device details, memory details, input details, CPU details, but we have to enable double tap to wake, right? So just click on wake gestures. As you can see, double tap to wake is disabled here. Just enable here and click on apply on boot. Now every time on reboot it will be applied. As you can see, now double tap to unlock is working fine. Double tap to lock, double tap to unlock, both are working fine. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. Full ROM review video of this ROM is coming really soon on the channel, so please stay subscribed.